Check out this 2008 Subaru Impreza 2.5i. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include remote keyless entry, power steering, air conditioning, tachometer, woven cloth upholstery, driver vanity mirror, and CD player. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.